This is my message to the brave Afghan people. The Taliban's actions are insufferable, and their regime is resulting in huge losses and casualties for Kabul. I have heard what happened yesterday. Many young Afghans might not know this, but it was in fact our own Republic government that laid the foundation for the Ibn Sina Hospital at Camp Phoenix, the very facility that was burnt down yesterday by these Taliban savages. These Taliban are nothing more than terrorists. What is happening is that these groups cannot defend themselves. So when Pakistan conducts airstrikes, the Taliban respond by deliberately burning civilian hospitals themselves. They do this to manufacture civilian casualties and gather sympathy from the Western media. It breaks my heart that when millions of brave people who stood for the true Afghanistan were killed by the Taliban, the Western media did not weep. Yet that same media is quick to weep for a terrorist regime that is not only promoting terrorism within Afghanistan, but is actively exporting it to the entire world. Today they are burning hospitals, and tomorrow they will burn schools, because they care for nothing else but gathering cheap sympathy. I urge the Afghan public to rise up and end this menace of the Taliban once and for all. They are at their weakest point right now. We must oust them and restore a true representative government of Afghanistan that can secure our shared bright future.